So guys, welcome guys. This is INKA TV channel, and today I'm in Mombasa, and I have a guest who is President Uhuru Kenyatta. It's unbelievable. I can't even. It's unbelievable. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's unbelievable. So guys, thank you, son. And the president has assured me he will support me, he will help INKA TV to grow to another level. Yeah. I'm very thankful, Mr. President. I'm very thankful. I'm very thankful. Okay. Yes, sir. Can you just tell the nation? Just greet the nation, sir. Yeah.
Well, I'm here in Mombasa. I'd come to do an inspection of this park, which hopefully, with COVID issues easing, hopefully we'll be able to open once again, so wananchi waweze kupata nafasi ya kufurahia na kuja jioni, na hawa wafanyabiashara yao iweze kurudi. Na nimekukuta hapa, na ndio nilikuwa naangalia hawa, na nikasema basi hata wewe vijana, tunataka vijana wajimudi, na tutasaidiana.
Asante sana Mr. President. I'm so happy. I know. Yes.